Good morning students. Today's class we are going to revise chapter 3. You can take your NCERT textbook and your rough note. After this session you can work out the problems from the textbook. Okay my dears? Today we are going to revise playing with numbers chapter 3, right? In this only we are going to discuss 3 exercises 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. Playing with numbers. So what you are going to do with these numbers? Just we are making we are going to find the factors from these numbers, multiple from these numbers, like that. We are going to deal only the basic things. Factors, multiples from these numbers. Okay? See, there are definitions which is given in italicized that you should learn. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Is it correct? Yes, it will be exactly dividing. So that's why we are saying a factor is the exact divisor of that number. Next, in this next page, they have given just a definition of a multiple. We can say that a number is a multiple of each of its factors. Yes, we can say, see these two. The multiplication of two numbers is the factor and answer we are getting now, that is your multiple. Okay. 1 is a factor of every number. These things and all you should learn. 1 is a factor of every number, right? Then every number is a factor of itself. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So what does mean by every factor is a exact divisor of that number? That already we have learned. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Yes, always the factor will be less than or equal to that number. Number of factors will be finite. Every multiple is greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Don't just write greater than. It is greater than or equal to. Okay, number of multiples of a given numbers are infinite. Factors are finite, multiples are infinite. Every number is a multiple of itself. So these are the basic points you should know while learning the factors. Next page, they are given the definition for perfect number. A number for which sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number is called perfect number. Okay, we have learned now 6 is a perfect number. Like that we should work out some problems for perfect number. Write all the factors of 68. Factors of 68. It is somewhat difficult, right? So 1 into 68. Whether it comes in 2 tables. First you find the smaller values. Then it will be easy for us to find the larger values. See, 1, 2, 4. Then after that 17. 17 4s are about 17 into 4 also 68. 4 into 17 also 68. So it comes in 4th table also, 17th table also. 1 into 68 is 68. So it comes in 1 table also, 68 table also. 2 into 34 is 68. But comes in 2 table, 34th table. Okay. Next find the factors of 36. We are finding the factors like that. It is very easy. Multiples. If they ask you to find the first 5 multiples, find only first 5 multiples. Don't write 6 multiples and keep. It is wrong actually. Okay. So this exercise is what? Find all the factors. Factors of smaller numbers are very easy. Multiples, it's answers of a tables. 5th table you can write. 8th table you can write. 9th table. In that answers which you are getting are the multiples. See, while you are writing the factors, you should write the factors of 24 are like that 1, 2, 3, like that you should write. In multiples also, the first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You should write like that. Okay, only then it is a correct answer. So this exercise is just a factors and multiples, children. Next, a prime and composite number. A number having only 2 factors, 1 and itself is prime numbers. More than 2 factors is composite number. Okay. The number 1 has only 1 factor. See, they have given the definition of prime numbers. Is it? They have given the definition of composite number. Learn that 1 is neither a prime nor a composite because it has only 1 factor. So it is not a prime, not a composite. Next, just learn this method and you learn the prime numbers from 1 to 100. At least 1 to 100 you should keep it in your mind. Like a tables, you should know this 1 to 100 what are the prime numbers are there. Okay, like tables you should learn. Okay, then they have given example problems. Even and odd numbers. Even numbers are multiples of 2. Odd numbers are other than even, what are all numbers are there, that all odd numbers. Okay, 2 is the smallest prime number, which is even. So 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, then they have given one like 1 mark question, few problems are given. You can learn that. If you have any doubt, check your fair notes. Next, divisibility test for numbers. I have already told you what is the divisibility test for 2. Last number is even. 3, sum of all the digits is multiple of 3. 4, last 2 number is divisible by 4. 5, last digit is 0 or 5. 6, it should be divisible in 2 also, 3 also. Then 7, it is not that much use, you can divide it and see. Okay, 8, last 3 digit you should take and you should divide by 8, so it is divisible by 8. 9, if you add the values, it should be a multiple of 9. 10, last digit is 0. 11, you can add the odd places, even places, then you subtract it. It should be either 0 or multiple of 11. Okay, next they have given few problems. See, you should check the divisibility test for this for 4 and 8, this for 6, this for 11. Okay, and you can check some more problems also from the net. Okay, my dear, that's all. This is your term 1 portions. Okay, my dears. Today's class we have revised exercise 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. So we have learned what is meant by factors and how to do the divisibility test for few problems. And now you can work out the problems using the textbook. If you have any doubt, please refer your fair notes. Okay, my dears. Thank you.